Kamar Chima, hear me out. While you respond to temples being turned into slaughterhouses in Pakistan, Mike Pompeo, and this is not Indian propaganda, you'd agree, US Secretary of State will not go by what India says. He says that there are attempts to kidnap, forcibly convert, and forcibly marry young women from religious minority communities, especially Hindu and Christian women, to Pakistani Muslim men. Sir, this is an apprehension this is a reality, sir. Kamar Chima, respond.
Mike Pompeo has same kind of words for India, and that is why you closed the Amnesty International.
Why would you? No. Don't worry about what's happening in India. Today the broadcast is, tell us why is this happening in Pakistan. In India, General Gurmeet Singh, in India we will focus on what is happening in our own country. We don't need a Pakistani to tell us what is happening in our country. We will tackle it ourselves.
In my country,
General Gurmeet Singh
took a suo motu notice on this. But in India, the goons who desecrated Babri Mosque,
you know, the problem with you, Kamar Chima, the problem with you, Kamar Chima, and the problem with your country, actually not just with you, this is the Pakistani Sunni Muslim mindset. This is the mindset of your state. This is the mindset of your army. This is the mindset of Taliban Khan or Imran Khan. General Gurmeet Singh.
May I, government in India is taking over India.
कमर चीमा मियां,
अरे कमर चीमा, पाकिस्तान के बारे में बात करने में शर्म आती है क्या? शर्म आती है अपने देश के बारे में बात करने के लिए? शर्म आती है पाकिस्तान से?
They must be taken into the court and they must be dealt with the heavy arm of law. They must.
अरे मस्ट कब होगा ये मस्ट?
कमर चीमा
कब होगा ये मस्ट? जनरल गुरमीत सिंह, कब होगा ये मस्ट?
कमर चीमा मियां, listen, please.
गवर्नर को गोली मार देते हैं आपके देश में.
You, Mr. Kamar Chima, you must listen. It is important. In fact, at least on this day, listen what the State Secretary of the US has told. It's a fact. What is happening, what Gaurav has related, and the topic of today is what you have done, a shameful act on a holy Hindu mandir. In fact, you should confess this day and all. In what you are telling about, please listen to me. Please listen to me. Look, the level of fundamentalism, extremism, intolerance, lack of law and order, and the lack of governance which is existing in the Pakistan, it is not good for the society. Pakistani government is going to take responsibility for the... Listen, please listen. On this day, you are trying to divert yourself from this responsibility of each one of us. You are an intellect. You must tell your government, and you must...
Sir,
No, their government is complicit. But the tragedy, Kamar Chima, Kamar Chima, today the debate is not about India. अगर आप पाकिस्तान के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं और सुन सकते हैं, सुनने की हिम्मत रखते हैं तो सुनिए. I'm quoting Pakistan's Human Rights Commission, the latest report of 2020. Kamar Chima, सुनिए. Religious minorities continue to suffer. Religious minorities continue to suffer in 2019, including discrimination, unabated honor killing, forced conversion of minority Hindu underage girls, and continued use of blasphemy law that carries the death penalty to intimidate and settle scores, forced conversion and prosecution and persecution under blasphemy laws and discrimination. This is what Pakistan's Human Rights Commission said in 2020. This report was released in May. Kamar Chima, सच का सामना कीजिए. ये पाकिस्तान के ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन की रिपोर्ट है.
The Human Rights Commission of Pakistan, if it has observed, then I believe that the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan deserves respect. They are exposing such kind of things. But at the same time, will you accept this is happening same in India? You were put in a country.
No, can you forget about India today? No, RP Singh, the tragedy with Kamar Chima is the tragedy with Kamar Chima, and Kamar Chima, you are only symptomatic. Kamar Chima, you're only symptomatic of the larger malaise. Your country refuses to look within. Your country, your army, your Taliban Khan, Imran Khan refuses to look within, despite these things being pointed out. And let me point out why there is state complicity, RP Singh, because look at figures in Pakistan. और सर हम पढ़ते हैं, हम रिसर्च करते हैं, हम रेटरिक नहीं देते हैं, ठीक है? सुनिए, crimes against minorities continue unchecked in Pakistan. 84 individuals were sent to jail in Pakistan on charges of blasphemy. 84. last year, up from 77 in 2018. 29 have been sentenced to death, up from 28 in 2018. What does this indicate? That Pakistani state and Pakistani judiciary is complicit in these blasphemy cases against religious minorities of Pakistan. RP Singh.
Well, let me go take it further. And I have a data which I'll share with you of all the girls. There are 55 girls which are kidnapped, converted in the first 9 months of this year, Sikh girls. And I have documents to prove that there's a price being kept on the Sikh girl which is being paid for converting a Sikh girl to a Muslim boy. And the price is 10 lakh rupees per Sikh girl. But that's how in the Pakistani 10 lakh rupees per Sikh girl. I mean, how can we say this country is...
To this, sir. Please respond to this. This is cancer. This is the cancer of Islamic State in Pakistan. You are trying to treat it with some kind of aspirin or band-aid.
Corridor. Who opened Kartarpur corridor? But in India, there is a systemic discrimination. Your parliament, your legislature.
Sir, we allowed you to come
You refuse to talk about Pakistan.
Sir, we allowed you to come to Mera Sharif.
This is a systemic discrimination in Modi's India.
You refuse to talk about Pakistan.
Pakistan, we empowered the Sikhs. We stand for the Hindus.
Really? You empower Sikh and Hindus. You empower Sikh and Hindus by desecrating their temples, by kidnapping their women, by forcibly converting them. I mean, is that empowerment? This is empowerment Pakistan style. Convert करो, इस मुसलमान बना लो, सिख लड़की को 10 लाख रुपए मिलेंगे. मिठू मियां क्या करते हैं? अरे कमल सिन्हा सच बोलो यार. खुदा का खौफ करो और सच बोलो.
And the perpetrators must be
दोज़ख की आग में जलेंगे इस तरह से अगर बात करेंगे तो.
Will you speak for those who died at Babri Mosque? Your court released the people who
पाकिस्तान के बारे में आपको बात ही नहीं करनी. आपको ISI ने बोला है जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान की बात करे तुम इंडिया की बात करना. पाकिस्तान के बारे में आपको बात ही नहीं करनी. You will bury your head in sand. You will bury your head in sand. You must answer this.
The US State Department have same kind of words for India, and they put you on a country of a particular concern the way they put Pakistan. So don't try to make it as India is a heaven
Pakistan
is a hell. Go and
Sir,
speak
but
with the
where is the
facts.
comparison? आप मरे जा रहे हो कंपेयर करने के लिए. हम तो कर ही नहीं रहे कंपेयर. हम तो कर ही नहीं रहे कंपेयर.
Why you are
कहाँ राजा भोज, कहाँ गंगू तेली? आप कंपेयर करे जा रहे हो क्यों? Okay, RP Singh wants to answer and then Gurmeet Singh.
Kamar Chima.
अरे when I speak of India, I will speak to Indians.
अच्छा Kamar Chima, आज मैं बाबरी मस्जिद का यार भूत निकाल दो आपके दिमाग से. Sir, Babar was one who ruined the India. And it's being mentioned in my Guru Granth. Only you believe in Guru Granth, you regard Guru Granth. It's mentioned in Guru Granth Sahib. Ati maar pai korlane taki dardana. Only ruler against whom Nanak ji, Guru Nanak Dev ji wrote in Guru Granth Sahib was Babar against his atrocities. So don't claim yourself a son of Babar. Babar was a plunder.
Justification for the desecration of the Babri Mosque.
Babar was who plundered India, and you were part of it. That time you were part of it. He plundered Lahore. He plundered every city of what you stay in Pakistan. So he destroyed temples. He destroyed all religious system of the country. And that's so don't claim yourself to be son of Babar. Babar was no holy child. Babar was a plunderer.
Destroy temples and let's condemn those who destroy mosques. Let's do this.
No, hold on, sir. Let's loots mat karo. Facts pe baat karo, sir. Facts pe baat karo, because on India Today we bring you facts. Let me bring